Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, today I have received my Samsung Galaxy S10 and 5G, which has been delivered to me today from DPD, and I've got this from EE. So EE has introduced 5G into the UK, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. So this is the box, and obviously the 5G speeds are a lot faster, because before in the UK there was 4G, but now 5G has come, which is a lot faster, and this is a brand new phone. So now I'm going to open it. There's the new phone, guys. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G black. Inside we have the adapter, as you can see. Then we've got these wires for charging. Then we've got this. And we've got these earphones. As you can see. So guys, as you can see, there's the phone. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. Take the sticker off. It's very reflective, like a mirror, so you can see yourself in the mirror. Use this as a mirror too. No. How can I take this sticker off? Is there a sticker on there? Anyway guys, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 4 cameras on here. 4. Why have 1 or 2, 3 when you can have 4? That's amazing. And even on this side, you have 2 cameras right there. If you can see on the top. So I'll switch it on. There we go. Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, secured by Knox, powered by Android. I recommend you guys to get this phone too. Samsung. It's turning on now. There you go, that fast. It's come on. Let's go. English United Kingdom, yes. Okay, check out some info to get started. Yeah, I just accept everything.
You're not supposed to show all that stuff, man, on the camera.
There we go. It's okay, don't worry. So anyway, that's everything there. Let's just skip everything for now. Skip everything. Just a sec. Okay. There we go, not now. Skip anyway. I recommend you guys to get this phone too. Look at it, really good. All done. So I just done a quick thing, but obviously when you guys get this, you can see it for yourself. So there we go, there it is. It's quite good, really good. All the apps there ready, and obviously you can download more apps that you want. And you can call, because it's a mobile phone, you can call anyone you like. Okay, and obviously because we're in the 21st century, it's 2019, so it has so many different apps that you can download, and so many different things that you can use on here. I recommend you guys to get this too. And you can change the settings as well to adjust it to however you'd like it to be. Wow, just look at the camera like that. It's really good, very clear. Anyway guys, I hope you liked this video, and I recommend you guys to do some research about this phone, Samsung Galaxy S10 on 5G, and I'm sure that you guys would like this too. So thank you for watching.